Calling all blanket crocheters. If you're a crocheter who loves crocheting blankets and throws, you need to check out these gorgeous Lion brand kits. First up, we have the Skip a Stitch Throw by Whistle and Wool. It's the perfect project for the absolute beginner and uses the thick and quick version of Feels Like Butter yarn, so you know this project is extremely soft. Next, we have the Riverbed blanket by CJ Design. This project uses 5 different colors of wool ease yarn, but still manages to be beginner friendly. Of course, there's the beautifully colored Magnus throw by Megan Makes Do, which uses both scarfy light yarn and wool ease yarn. This stunning, soft, and lightweight throw is sure to become a favorite. And bonus, there's no ends to weave in on this one. Last but certainly not least, we have the Desert Blossom blanket by Ron Strong. It's the perfect throw for an intermediate crocheter. It uses color theory yarn by my favorite designer, 2 of Wands, and will definitely flaunt your crochet skills to all your guests. Links to the crochet kits can be found as the pinned comment below, and they're currently all on sale.